is that a mortgage is a project. It's generally you're buying a house, and there's a deadline associated with that purchase and sale agreement. You've got to close by this date. Generally, you're going to have 30 or 40 days to close. So choosing your mortgage company, and as we discussed in a previous video, if you've been pre-approved, is going to dictate whether or not you're going to hit that closing date on time. Because you're dealing with Joe Blow Bank. I mean, do you think they really care about your one little deal? Or, you know, all they care about is their little piece of the assembly line, turning their nut. You know, they're done with it, they pass it on. Oh, that's not our problem. Call them. It's out of our hands now. You know, and that's just not something we're going to do. You know, I'm going to handle it from the very beginning all the way to the end. So I'm always going to be the point of contact, and that gives people, you know, gives them comfort during the process, rather than frustration. You know, who do I even call? Who do I talk to? Who can answer this question for me? And when people shop for a mortgage, they don't think about that. They're just thinking, well, what can I get? What are the interest rates? What are the fees? And you know, we offer low rates and fees, lower than most of our competitors. But what we're going to do that sets us apart from the competition is I'm going to be the project manager on this entire transaction. All the third parties that are involved, listing agents, buying agents, appraisers, title companies, I'm going to act as a project manager to pull all these people together, make sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to do, and obviously the buyer, the borrower, them as well, making sure no one's dropping the ball, everything's getting done in a timely manner, project out, look, and make sure we're not about to experience a problem on the horizon. So that's kind of what we're going to do that sets us apart from the competition, is we're going to act as your project manager for this process. And that way it gets closed on time. You don't have to schedule moving trucks and then reschedule them and go through the heartache of not closing your loan on time, or you know, closing your house on time. So really what sets us apart is going to be that project management element of what we do, and customer service. So that's what makes us special.